A little angel was born 40 years ago on 9th of May in the year 1981 to Mr. Samuel and Mrs. Helena Rosario in a small town of Maharashtra called Dahanu. A proud sister to her sibling Sonika, whom she has shared her toys, her clothes, her meals, her bed, and also her ups and downs of her life. They both share a good bonding and are very close to each other. This cute little angel was the shining light of the family. She was the loved one of the entire Rosario clan in Palghar. She liked the company of her family very much and also of her cousins. From all of them, her favorite was Ruth, whom she would with love call Cookie. Hanika was educated at the Anand Ashram Convent High School, Palghar, where she matriculated. She was a bright student and was proud to be one of the 9 gems of her class. Her classmates are still in contact till date and fondly remember their glorious past, where study and fun would be a part of their curriculum. Post her SSC, she then shifted to Vasai, where she had the privilege of joining St. Andrew's College, Mumbai for a graduation. She there had another bunch of close friends who have also spent great times where they reminiscent their good old days whenever they meet each other. Special mention was Randolph, her dear cousin, who was always there beside her. They have some mischievous moments of college. Hardly she graduated with a commerce degree, she was asked to appear for a bank entrance examination, which helped her to join the Citizen Credit Cooperative Bank, Mumbai. Here, she upskilled herself with banking regulations and customer service. This experience helped her to take an opportunity to work with HDFC Bank. She worked hard in this organization and grew up the ranks. Currently, she's proud to be a branch manager. It was at CCB Mumbai that she met a tall, dark, and a handsome dude named Mervyn Fernandez. Working together, they fell in love and subsequently got married on the 22nd of January 2005. The immense love that they had for each other became even more bigger when she gave birth to a beautiful angel baby named Zoan. And after a few years, a handsome boy named Zane. They now spend some amazing times together as a family. The entire family have spent some awesome times and memories, with Hanika being the center of their attention. She has worked hard for it by balancing her attention between work and home, enjoying day after day till this day. Hanika is the backbone of the family and always wants to do new things. She convinced her parents to make her join various skills and hobby classes. Some of them are dancing, driving, swimming, cycling, beauty salon and hair cutting, baking, and many more. The one talent which we all love and anticipate are her event management skills. She makes sure that all the ones attending the event will always take good memories with them. She has also handled huge events with the bank's Mumbai clusters, of which we and her colleagues are very proud of. Hanika is a healthy and chubby girl. She is a food maniac. Her love for different cuisines of the world helps us taste different delicacies, whether at home or at various restaurants we visit. Hanika is a Bollywood movie buff. Her love for films and songs, especially of a heartthrob, Shah Rukh Khan, Urf SRK. Some of you may still remember she had this big poster of Shah Rukh Khan on the wall behind her bed in Palghar. She can even now get excited if she hears her favorite songs of the 90s. Hanika is a travel buff. She has traveled throughout India and has some wonderful memories. Her dream of traveling the world is yet to be a distant reality. Though she had an opportunity to travel to Malaysia and Switzerland through the bank's conference cum leisure programs. She has also traveled to Dubai and Singapore in the past few years. Her mission is to travel Europe, but is still on hold due to the pandemic. Hanika has her own bucket list. To name a few, it's skydiving once in a lifetime, journey in a hot air balloon, visit 7 wonders of the world, one night stay in the Greek island of Santorini, visit Buckingham Palace for the change of guards and the London Bridge opening and closing and the Big Ben, visit Disneyland Paris with children, drive a car on her own on the highway, meet Shah Rukh Khan in person, camping overnight in the open. Dear Hanika, we know the importance of God in your life. So as we start our surprises, we want you to hear a small hymn sung by our very own family members. Don't worry, Randy, I'm not going to start the rosary.
The Lord let His face shine down upon you. The sun rise up to meet you on your way. The Spirit of His love invade the circle of your friends. Your vision keep you growing day by day. Good times fade a jingle in your pocket. Life's answer there to warm you when you rise. Forgiving and for growing, either way you know your soul. Your heart beat on on you. Sunrise out to meet you on your way. Spirit of His love, with the circle of your friends. Your vision keep you growing day by day. Your vision keep you growing day by day.
Hanika, knowing you are a SRK fan, on this day I wanted you to surprise you with a wish from Shah Rukh Khan, the man himself. But as you know, in this pandemic, it's tough to get through all your heroes. But don't worry, all is well, all is well. Let's hear it from someone special.
Hello, dear Anika. So you've turned 40 today. Congratulations on 40 years of awesomeness. Age is just a number. You're still 25 with 15 years of experience, that's all. You're so special to your family, friends, and colleagues that they will leave no stone unturned to make this day a special one, rather, extra special one. Wishing you a great 40th birthday and a day filled with lots of smiles and wishes. Cheers.
So today, Hanika, as you turn 40, your near and dear ones have remembered the naughty memories. I'm sure you will relive the moments as they speak. We know you are much naughtier than that sweet and smiley face of yours you portray.
खुद को क्या समझती है, इतना करती है। कॉलेज में नई नई आई एक लड़की है। खुद को क्या समझती है, इतना करती है। कॉलेज में नई नई आई एक लड़की है।
Talk to my hand.
लगती है आओ चढ़ाए मजा। खुद को क्या समझती है, इतना करती है। कॉलेज में ये बदन बिजली से बना 440 वोल्ट है, चुनना है मना।
Hello. So Hanika and I met at CCB when we were 20. That was our first job, and we met for our induction. And we were so bored. I mean, nahi yaar, maza nahi aa raha hai. And then one day there was a trainer. He was so handsome. So we both had our eyes on him. But fortunately for you, Mervyn, he had a wedding ring on his finger. So we were like, theek hai, chalo, next.
Hi Henny, a naughty moment to remember with you is when we were kids. I guess when you were in 10th and I was in 12th. We used to go to Purav's house. I hope you remember. We had a lot of good time there. We used to carry a lot of stuff to eat. We used to talk. We used to study. And we used to laugh a lot. So I remember that moments which we've spent together as a naughty moments with you.
Hanika had planned a surprise for Sharon on her wedding rose day. The naughty memories that I share with Hanika is when we both had participated in this dance video, which is called the Senorita Dance. We had so much fun just practicing and putting up that particular sequence together. Talking on the same lines, I also recall the fun and the exciting time that we had preparing the whole flashback love story of Bernard and Belenka when we had to showcase this in front of the family on the second day of his wedding. Thanks, Hanika, for those wonderful memories.
Thinking of a naughty memory, I'm taken back to childhood and reminded of the hilarious game we used to play. I remember playing it with Hanika and Sonika. Is Badal Badal. I would go to their home in Palghar and we'd play this game in the afternoon. Zoan, Zain, if you do not know what this game is, please ask your mama for a demo of this awesome game called Badal Badal, and I'm sure you think we were mad that we used to play that game.
Hanika and Naughty both go together. Your naughty smile, your naughty weight jump after seeing me, your naughty jokes in Hindi, and your naughty actions. I can go on and on and on. The very one moment of naughtiness is when I remember you called me to Dadar station saying that I have to go to Lonavala, but you put me in the train to Neral and we landed up in Matheran as per your plan. So this is the naughtiness which you are. Have a great day.
When I think about the naughty memory with Hanika, I think about the time that we went to see the vaginal monologues. I think that is the most naughtiest time I've been with Hanika.
The memory of Hanika was on the 11th day. She came with a full family. Although scary, she made me laugh and laugh to my heart's content.
You know one naughty memory? We used to rob tamarind in the afternoon when my papa used to go to sleep. Then we used to remove gomo leaves and make a pan of it and sit on the Rita tree and eat quietly during May holidays. Cheers!
Hi Hanika, a naughty memory of yours. I'm sure you'll remember when we were little at your Palghar house. The mandir literally behind. On festivals they used to cook delicious food, and the smell that used to just come in, and we would be like so hungry. And used to lead us get into the queue so that we could enjoy the feast there. Similarly, in Ram Mandir, when I think Ram Navami, and they used to have this prasad, so delicious. So soon after school, come home, get a bowl each ourselves, and then queue up there as well. So the mischievous nature of yours is something that I really like.
Hi Hanika, I wish you a very fantabulous 40th birthday. When I think about Hanika, the only memory I have is of French kiss. Yes, you heard it right, French kiss. Hanika was the one who introduced the word French kiss in school to us. She not only taught us about the word French kiss, but she also demonstrated the French kiss multiple times. Hanika, I'm sure you're a pro now, practicing on Mervyn. Right, Mervyn and Hanika?
Honey, the most sassy event in our lives together is our Magica trip, and that night, and the laughter riot that we had will stay with me as long as I live. Love you, take care.
Hanika, we know you are much naughtier than the sweet and smiley face you portray. So as we turn 40 and naughty, we have recollected all the sassy moments with friends and loved ones. I'm sure you will go bonkers with their responses.
So once, Hanika wanted to watch porn, and she said, let's make the volume full. Okay?
Mervyn said sassy, not saucy.
Oops, scratch that. Right? So I don't know this is sassy. Right? I'll just tell you a few things about Hanika. If you take Hanika to the Sahara Desert, she's going to stay overnight, or even during the afternoon if she's sleepy, she will sleep with the bed sheet at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay? One. Another thing. Never ever tell her that her hair is curly. Because it's not. Her hair is wavy. Right? I can go on and on and on. But the point is actually, Hanika has saved my ass more than anybody else. Right? Right from the time when I was tied outside by Papa on that log that everybody knows the story about, to my days in college. So I'll tell you, right? She used to get a lot of roses on Rose Day from the guys. I used to get some. I used to pick the roses from her and give it to other girls. Right? The best sister ever. She used to write all these sidey love poems to whom God knows. I used to take those poems and give it to other girls, telling them that I wrote those poems. So like that, she saved my ass more often than not, right? She's been like the best wing lady that I've always had during my college days. We've had so much of fun and I love it. I wish you the best birthday ever, the biggest blast ever. Just keep rocking and I love you.
When we were filming Papa's birthday video, in the end of Mama's message, she did a Korean love sign where I burst out laughing. And that's when she commented that even if she is old, she will always follow the teenage trends. And that's when it clicked in my mind that she's the most sassiest, yet old at age but young at heart kind of a mom.
One sassy thing that I like about Hanika Bai is that she is very creative and passionate about her work.
The one sassy quality of Hanika Bai is that she will give you her peace of mind. Means if you have any problem or you are facing with some difficulties, she'll give you the solution for that problem or difficulties. I love you for that, Hanika Bai.
So, Hanika, I really love your dynamism, your creativity, and your energy, and you are so vivacious, you're so bold. Please remain the same.
There is no sassy moment that I can recall. However, there are many instances that Hanika has displayed boldness, like riding a bike, starting a new home, hosting shows at the office, achieving awards, and many theme-based birthday parties, and so on and on.
Sassy and Hanika go hand in hand together, whether it is going for Garba, going for dance classes, being a prefect in the school, going to TVM for further studies, and so on. She's always been bold in whatever she does, and that is what I like the most about her.
Goma, the sachet moment was that I was a flower girl on a tour wedding day. You were looking so beautiful. However, all I remember was that as a flower girl, I was just crying all the time.
Sassy is just the perfect adjective for Hanika. The first time I would have ever associated this word with her might have been in school when I was in the first grade perhaps and Hanika was a prefect. She would conduct herself with a lot of confidence and that goes on until today. Whether that is a party she's hosting at home or an event she's making an appearance at or whether she's winning multiple awards at the workplace. She puts her heart and soul into everything that she does and yes, you're very sassy, Hanika.
The best part what I would like to learn from you is first your multi-talent, your comparing ability and your understanding ability and your timing for each situation is very important, which I would like to learn from you. The sassy moment, when we always meet, it's a sassy moment. The way you behave like a child, you laugh out loud like a child, and one occasion of Onam where you take Kachra and you behave like a very sensuous woman. Take care, love you. Bye.
A sassy quality of Hanika is her experimental nature. She makes sure that whatever task she undertakes, she does it with a full justice, and she ensures ensures that she is different from the rest?
I think everything about Hanika Bai screams sassy and bold. She is the kind of person who will just liven up a room immediately. And I aspire to be the kind of confident person that she is. The way that she carries herself, I'm in awe of that. Every single time that I see her, I hear her, I listen to all the wonderful things that she's been doing, that she's achieved. I think I can just dream of being that person someday. And it would be very unfair to just mention one bold moment about her. I think she's just a bold and a sassy person, and that would maybe do justice to the word sassy and bold.
For a sassy memory, Hanika, I know you've always been so active. You trained for classical dancing quite a young age. You used to take part in events in school and church and go out for Garba. I remember how independent you have always been. May that be taking tuitions, running a beauty parlor. I believe it takes a lot of courage to go against the stream at such a young age, and I really admire you for that.
Sassy moments? When I see you in formals or dressed in an Indian sari, the way you gracefully carry yourself, it's a sassy moment. Talking about the talents you have lots of special talents. Good ke bhara hua hai. Dancing, swimming, etc. etc. But the most beautiful talent is event management. You always turned an event into a memory.
The quality that I love most about Hanika is super talented. Super. I always felt she's in the wrong profession. Wow. She would take any event and make it so lively. Hats off to you, honey. Hats off to you.
We've all heard of the phrase, winning is not important but participation is. But when it comes to Hanika, her participation leads to winning. There is no consolation, there is no runner-up for her. When she participates, she makes sure she wins it. Talking about something sassy about Hanika, of course I do have loads of memories with her, but one of the memories that comes to my mind is when we were on a holiday during a May vacation in Narpar, our holiday home, and there was a program organized next to the school, and my granny had given Hanika's name for a performance. And Hanika was just 8 or 9 then, and Hanika was very excited about that. She was just told about the performance half an hour before the program could begin, and the song was on her mind, the costume was on her mind. She did not practice, she did not think a bit, but she was all on her toes to go and dance in front of the public for the first time. And not only that, she got applauded and she did win a prize of 20 rupees, which was a lot then. And this is how she made us famous with her acts, and she's been very impromptu and very focused.
Hi Hanika. Well, we all know Hanika and sassiness goes hand in hand, and I'm sure everyone in the family in one way or the other would have come across this experience while interacting with her. If I have to talk about Hanika being bold, I think there's one memory I have of hers which was outstanding in many ways. This was the time when Dad and Mom were in Dubai visiting us, and this was around the time when Dad was about to celebrate his birthday. And Hanika all of a sudden just decided to make a surprise visit for 3 days to Dubai so that she can be available on Dad's birthday. Now this I thought was a sassy and bold move, only because she planned this in a short span of time, and considering the distance, we'll be talking about Mumbai to Dubai. I think that was really commendable. So, yeah, Hanika, continue being the sassy person that you are, and just wishing you loads of memories, just wishing you loads of experiences and good health. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Those are the lovely sassy moments of Hanika. Thank you, friends and family, for helping out with your contributions. I'm sure you have lived up to her expectations. The time is now come for hearing the birthday wishes. The dear ones have poured out their love and showered you with the wishes and smiles.
Hi everyone, this is the Pereira family. I hope you liked the song. This is a song of blessings, especially for you, Hanika. The words of the song says it all. You're our travel partner. We enjoy the travels we have with you. And here's wishing from our whole family. Happy birthday, Hanika.
Hi! Happy birthday, Hanika. Wish you a very happy, deliriously 40th birthday, along with immense joy, inner peace, and true success always. You always rock. I have always loved your bold attitude. Remain as stunning as usual.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Bye.
Hanika, I wish you lots of love and happiness today and every day. You are such a fun-loving, bubbly, warm and friendly girl. I miss your plum cakes. Wish you a very happy birthday. Take care.
Hi honey, wishing you a very very happy birthday darling. Dil se. This wishes for you on this special day of birthday is not only the wishes on your birthday but entire life. You may be flourished with a lot of happiness, love, good health, wealth. May you keep smiling your entire life. And ये दुआ मेरे दिल से है for you and also for your very loving family.
Hi Hanika, happy birthday to you. May you have a beautiful life, very successful one. You know, it's so much of an age difference for us, and yet we call ourselves the best friends and friends for a life. And I never thought I could ever get some people as best friends for my life, you know. And I think you're the first one where I committed myself as for a lifetime, you know. And I'm so happy about it. Not only that, honey, you're so talented and you're so committed. And sometimes I find it funny when you're so serious about everything that you do. But that's your plus point, and that's why you're succeeding. May you succeed and do very well in your life, sweetheart. All the best to you. Love you.
Dear Hanika, happy birthday, child. Loads of good health come your way. You are the life of your family, and smile to your friends. Love you.
Hanika, wish you happy birthday and God bless you. Okay?
Hello Anika, happy birthday to you. Have a nice day. God bless you.
Hi Hanika, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you and fulfill all your desires in life and keep you always fit and fine throughout the years to come. Due to your sincere and hard-working efforts, you are excelling in your work and life. You took bold and incessant efforts to get Mama admitted in hospital and gave her all the best A1 medical treatment and made her stand on her feet. God sent you in the form of guardian angel for Mama's rescue and inculcated in her new life. We are indeed proud of you to have a daughter like you who cares and fulfills the wishes of all the family members. Keep smiling always. Love you, Hanika, and a big God bless. Happy birthday, Hanika.
We love you.
Happy birthday, dear Hanika. May the Lord bless you with good health, success, and keep smiling always. Lots of love from Uncle too.
Happy birthday, Hanika Bhai. May you have a very good year ahead, and cheers from our side.
Can't believe that you are 40. You still look so marvelous, fabulous, charming, and so young. It won't be an exaggeration to say that you are a jewel in the crown of our family. You are a down-to-earth person, full of compassion, love, and concern. I have got so many fond memories of yours. I have seen you literally growing in front of me. I am so impressed with your trend-setting, innovative ideas and concepts when you arrange your family functions. It's worth waiting for such beautiful ideas.
I totally agree with Raymond uncle, whatever he spoke just now. I just want to add two more qualities here of yours. Your courage and your patience. When your mommy was hospitalized and the way you handled that situation, really it requires a lot of courage as well as patience. The way you handled it, such a maturity. Hats off to you, Hanika.
Wish you, Hanika, a very happy birthday filled with sweet moments and beautiful memories to cherish with. I wish and pray to God for His continuous blessings and favors to you. And I thank Shamdada and Helen Kunyan to give us such a pretty, lovely niece. God bless you all. Love you all. Have an awesome celebration. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Hanika. God bless you and enjoy your birthday. Have a great bash.
Hi Hanika, your first 40 years were pretty damn good. Years hoping you get at least 40 more. You have accomplished so much in your life, and to think you are just getting started. Congratulations on your 4 decades of sheer awesomeness. Can't wait to see what you do with your next 40 years. Auntie and Godpa wishes you very happy 40th birthday. You are talented, terrific, tremendous and top-notch. Welcome to your 40s. Have a nice time. God bless you.
Hanika Bhai, once again coming with more blessings and love on this amazing day of yours. Talking about memories that we have together are very less, but it has been altogether a different sort of experience, a different sort of bonding and love. Well, you have been helpful a lot of times, and having you in life is not less than having an angel that is sent from God above. You always have been seen so hardworking at your work, and you are always dedicated to your family as well. I have seen you always motivated and always smiling. I take an opportunity on behalf of my family to wish you happy 48th birthday, many more years coming up, and may God bless you with good health and success. Lots of love.
Hey Hanika, you are a gift to all those who know you. Such a wonderful person. As you celebrate your 40th birthday, we are sending you all our love and blessings. May more of your dreams come true. I am sure your birthday will be as sweet as you are. Have an absolute,
Fantastic.
wonderful birthday. God bless you.
Hey, happy birthday, Hanika.
terrific, tremendous and complete. Congratulations on 4 decades of sheer awesomeness. Happy birthday once again. Have a great day and a wonderful year.
Hi Hanika, you are celebrating a very special birthday today. Wish you a fantastic day full of love and excitement. Happy birthday, bless
Happy
you,
birthday,
love
bless you, love you.
Hi Anika, wish you a happy 40th birthday. May God always bless you with good health and happiness. Stay smiling always.
Happy birthday, Anika.
So, Hanika, here's wishing you a very happy birthday with good health, happiness, and a blessed year ahead.
Hi Hanika. You know, it's going to be very challenging for me to talk about a quality or a bold statement or a naughty quality about you, because the Hanika that I know has been always very shy and very docile as far as I remember that we were in college. But the one quality that strikes me most is when we all went to Palghar during college for a night out, and I remember you decided to make food and the electricity had gone, and yet you managed to cook it by manually grinding masala on a stone, and the food was fabulous, which proves that how much of a go-getter are you, and if you really decide to do something, you go out there and do it, and that's why you are where you are. And God bless you for all the success that you have in your life. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Enjoy.
Hi honey, here's wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Lots of love and happiness to you, and keep being as awesome as you already are.
Wishing you all the best on your birthday, Goma. I hope you are planning to stick for many more years. On a special day, my dear Goma, I wish nothing but endless of love and happiness in your life. Happy birthday to my dearest Goma. Love you.
So happy 40. Needless to say, you are always naughty. So enjoy your big day.
Happy 40th birthday, Hanika auntie.
We're sure going to miss your birthday because you have such wonderful parties, and if it weren't for the lockdown, then you'd have been there and we'd have a fantastic
6 hour long parties.
with so many games.
25 at games.
But jokes apart, you throw the best parties, and we're sure going to miss it this time. But wish you a wonderful 40th birthday. Stay beautiful and young always.
And naughty. 40 naughty. Enjoy. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Love ya.
You're such a wonderful sister. You always make life happier just by being there. The things you do for others that show how much you care. Life wouldn't be the same without you, for you're such an important part of all the wonderful memories we've shared together. Happy 40th birthday, sis.
Officially, we are cousins, but by heart, we are sisters. A very happy 40th birthday, Hanika Bai. May God bless you. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Cheers.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Hanika, from all of us here in Pune. Lot of memories that we share in common from our childhood days. I remember the times when you were very small and you were very interested in dance. Mummy had enrolled you in the dance classes, which was on the Kacheri Road, and I used to take you every day to those classes. We had good times in our vacations playing in the Wada, house, Panwala. We had memories of our trips to Narpad, to Bandra, Rudy's grandmother's house, and a lot of other memories that are very fresh in our minds. We've been together since childhood. Every now and then I coming home and you all spending your time at my house. We had a lot of fun. I'm sure today's kids would not be able to enjoy as much as we did. So wishing you once again a very happy birthday, Hanika. May God bless you and may you excel in your career, reach high heights, and make us proud. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. Goodbye.
Hey Han, many happy President's Day. Enjoy your day. Take care and thanks for being there all the years along. Nice to have a friend like you. All the best.
Hey Hanukkah, happy 40th birthday. God bless you. Take care and wish you the very best ahead.
Cheers to 40 years of awesomeness. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, honey. Have a day as beautiful and wonderful as you are. Lots of love.
Memory about Hanukkah is from the time we were in school together. I remember Hanukkah used to have this little pigtail in the back, proudly wearing her prefect sash and always raising her hand up straight when a teacher used to ask a question, proudly answering the question and sitting down. And always a happy person, touching everybody's lives with happiness. Never a mean thing to say to anyone. She used to talk to everybody, and a very great friend to have. I remember how we used to ride our bikes to school, study together on the terrace, practice our dance together. When we used to also go to Miss Shobna's house to practice aloud. You are such a special friend to have, and it's just been a pleasure having you as a friend. And always stay the same, be happy. And I wish you lots of love, joy, happy memories, and many, many more years to come with great birthdays and great memories. Love you. Happy 40th birthday. Bye.
On this your big day, your milestone birthday, wishing you, dear Hanukkah, a very happy birthday. May you have your day filled with a lot of wonderful surprises, more excitement and a lot of happiness as you officially turn more wiser, more experienced and more awesome. Have a fantastic day ahead. God bless.
Hi Anika, wishing you a happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness always. Stay blessed always. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.
Happy 40th birthday, Hanukkah bhai. Honestly, when I see you, not just me, I don't think anybody will believe that you're 40. But I hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hello, Auntie. You are one of the most multi-talented person I have come across.
I think Anika, managing your office, managing the house, the amount of activities which you are able to do, and every occasion you manage to celebrate in the house with your kids. It's not only there, I've seen you even organizing so many functions in the office itself. That speaks volumes about how you are able to multitask. You are able to manage the office, manage the house, work-life balance. If there is anything, I think you are the model for that. And truly, you should take that ahead with you and probably share that secret with all of us, so that we also can be managing our work-life balances much better. Wish you a happy 40th birthday.
Hello, Anika. You're 40, so don't get naughty.
Hello Hanukkah, bye. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with His choicest blessings and have a blast.
Hanukkah, happy birthday to you. May God bless you and cheers.
Hi Hanukkah. So Mervin is taking all the efforts of making this video on your birthday, and he is telling everyone that you are getting old. मेरी पत्नी बूढ़ी हो गई है, और he has kept the theme as a sassy and naughty. अब अपने को इतना इंग्लिश तो समझ में आता नहीं है. नोटी का इसने तुम लोग को जितना भी कहानी सुनाया रहेगा कि मैंने बहुत मस्ती किया स्कूल में, तो सब झूठ कहानी है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. She was always empty types. And sassy Mervin is telling कि कोई अच्छा क्वालिटी बताओ, तो इसका कोई अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं है. ये सब पूरा जिंदगी झगड़ा किया मेरे साथ और कुछ नहीं किया. On on this sour note. Very happy birthday to you. Maybe have many more fights. Stay together, stay healthy. Good wishes to you and your family, and very good wishes to you on your birthday. Have a wonderful birthday. Keep smiling, take care, keep loving, and give us some good food to eat. Bye bye.
Hi Hanika, wish you a very happy birthday. Have an amazing day with your family. I hope you enjoy doing whatever you're doing. Stay blessed, and remember that 40 is the start of the naughty decade. So enjoy life to the fullest. Stay bold, beautiful, and stay amazing. Bye bye.
On behalf of Preeti, Quintus and I, we wish you a very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you with best of health, happiness, and lots of love. Cheers, Hanika.
Hey Hanika, happy 40th! 40? तेरी त्वचा से तेरी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता यार. God bless you. I hope you love the surprise and you have a rocking day. I've always known you as a strong-headed, bold, passionate, loving, caring, flirty, naughty, and a great friend. Always stay like that. कुछ स्कूल डेज का बहुत लेट पता चला था that there was a spy among us. Miss Anka spy. Love you, darling. God bless you.
Hi Hanika, wishing you a happy 40th birthday. May all your coming years be as graceful as you are.
Just like fine wine, you get better with age. He is wishing you a graceful and a wonderful, happy 40th birthday, Hanika.
3 cheers.
Cheers.
Happy 40th birthday, Mom. Stay young like this forever. Remember, your daughters got it from you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Goma! Have a wonderful day! Love you so much!
The sassy moment that I remember comes to my mind is when Hanika used to go for a Bharatnatyam classes, which was close to the old house, and I used to accompany her just to pass some time. And while she used to get her classes done, I used to just sit there and admire how she used to grasp all the dancing techniques and the steps that her master or teacher used to teach her. And there's one step that I caught while she was unaware of, and that's this. I hope Hanika you remember to do this as well. Have a great 40th birthday, Hanika. Cheers to life. Wish you a successful journey coming ahead. Bless you with great health and lots of love. Cheers. Hey Hanika, happy 40th birthday from all of us here at home. May God offer all the best of health, life, happiness and success that you have dreamed for. Here's to many more 40 years of glorious and healthy life. Bless you, and they say you're naughty at 40, so Mervyn, be careful. Cheers, Sukala.
Hi Hanika, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you with success, good health and happiness. Welcome to the 40s Club. I'm very grateful of having you in my life. And I'm sure we all entertained you with our little acts and were able to surprise you. Have a great day filled with lots of wishes and smiles. Happy birthday.